Hello everybody, Felicia here, and I am super excited because if you notice, I am a real one because you're a real one, just like Hannah Elise. I am wearing one of Hannah Elise's merchandises. I love this sweatshirt. I'm actually really glad that I got this color. It goes with all my jeans and everything, so I hope Hannah is proud of her merchandise. I am so proud of it. It is such a cool sweatshirt. I really do like it. Thank you, Hannah, once again. And I hope you get a chance to even take a look at this video because it's not because, you know, it's just that you have, this is great. I don't know if there's any more available because I didn't look yet. But if you check at the link below and see if there's any available, I'm sure there might be something available because she says get them while, you know, until they're gone. So basically what I did was I decided to go ahead and do that. Yay! Today is also a day that I decided to go ahead and take a tour of the campus. I took a tour of the campus and I took some video footage of the campus, and I really love it when Sac State is like this. So what my video is about today is you're going to see a little bit of the campus. You're also going to see the different colors in the trees. Sac State is known for its hundreds and hundreds of trees. I think it has a lot of trees. What I don't see this year, which kind of is a little bit surprising but kind of not, is the squirrels. There's thousands of squirrels on Sac State campus, but because we had that time of the pandemic where everybody was at home, the squirrels didn't get fed, and you know, a lot of students didn't feed the squirrels, and so now, you know, the squirrels disappeared. And so, but I did see a few squirrels and everything. And then I also saw this weird looking mushroom thing sticking out from the tree, and I thought I'd take a picture of that. I've never seen anything like that, but it kind of reminds me of like a little bit of fairyland or something like that. It was really weird. I just thought it was weird. So anyway, so also too, as you noticed that I'll show you a little bit of footage here, I decided to purchase another Macbook Pro because the M1 chip. I know. That's not the only reason. There is some new software on this particular one that I'm going to be using, hopefully in the near future. Also going to be helping me with my YouTube channel. Yay! Hopefully. Oh my God. Anyway, it's a new learning curve. I'm trying to learn everything that I need to learn, all the aspects about it, so I can deliver you guys some nice, cool content. I know right now it doesn't appear that I have a whole lot of subscribers, but that's what I'm working for. When I first started this channel, I'll be honest with you, I only have 1 subscriber, and so the message is getting out somewhere. And I also only have 1 subscriber looking at my videos all the time and being really nice about it. But I really want to grow my channel because I want to be able to continue to deliver you guys more content and to share what's going on in my life, and not only have a documentation of what's going on in my life, because we only live these trials and challenges and fun things and all kinds of stuff and college stuff. We only live that once. So I just want to just do that. So like I said, I hope you enjoy the tour. I think that's what I'm supposed to say. Yeah. I'll be back. Hey guys, I am back. I hope you enjoyed the tour of Sac State. The campus is really beautiful at this time of the year. I really looked forward to coming back in the fall because I wanted to see the different colors of the trees this fall, and I also wanted to show it to you. I'm so glad we were able to go back to campus and everything, and it was just gorgeous. I don't know, the campus, I just love fall color. Thank you once again, Hannah, and hopefully soon I will be able to go through and show you what my new software is on my new Macbook Pro. And then also too, I hope you enjoy the new content that's going to come out of this channel soon, and I'm going to try to make a regular schedule here. Well, I have to go now. I just hope that you enjoyed this little short video. I have a research project that I have to finish up for one of my anthro classes, my Bioarchaeology classes, and then I also have the hardest class in the anthro department exam coming up next weekend. Oh my gosh, I'm just stressing. But I think I'll be able to do it though. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye guys. Take care. Bye bye. Peace.